Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nylah Ariel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get this little braid situation right here. I did this braid yesterday for the first time, and a bunch of girls on Snapchat were asking me to do a tutorial on it. So you know I love you guys, and here's the tutorial on this braid. If you want to see how I got this braid, then just keep watching. Okay, so for this look, you're going to need Eco Styler gel, aloe vera gel, a soft brush, some type of detangling comb, coconut oil, and rubber bands. I use these gold pins, but that's optional. You don't have to use that if you don't want. And of course, your braiding hair. Okay, so this is my natural hair just getting out of the shower. My curl pattern is trash, so yeah, don't come for me, y'all. I already know I need to stop putting heat on my hair because my ends are like straight. So what you want to do is take your comb and just detangle your hair, which I pretty much already did that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take some of my aloe gel, and I'm gonna take a generous amount, like this much. And I'm just gonna like rub that in my hair a little bit. Next, I'm gonna take my Jamaican black castor oil, and this is so ratchet. I use a little toothbrush to get in there because it'd be hard to get out. And I just take some of this, and I'm just gonna put that in my hair too. Just to moisturize your hair a little bit. Okay, so now that that's done, you just want to put your hair in a ponytail on the top of my head. So boom, just like that. I did like a kind of high ponytail. I didn't want it like right here, but I just thought about something. I like to put my gel in my hair before I comb it, but if you want to, you know, just take your Eco Styler gel and like put it on your edges and slick it up. I kind of do that afterwards for some reason because I don't like my hair to be like, when I have too much gel in my hair, it just makes my hair really curly and hard to work with. So I like to kind of keep it a little bit more on the drier side, if that makes sense. So you want to leave your hair in a ponytail. I don't put mine in a bun because it's just going to mix in with your braiding hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my toothbrush and dip it in my Eco Styler gel. And then now I want to slick my baby hairs and like my little curls and stuff that are left. Slick these up just to make it look real sleek, you know. And I don't know why I like to use a toothbrush to slick this up. I feel like my hair stays in place better. So you see the difference, like natural and then slick it up, it looks much better. So make sure all your hair is straight up. Ew, my hairline is ugly like this. Anyway, so make sure all your hair is slicked, and I'm gonna do the same to the back because I got the curls back there. Alright, so it's pretty straight back there. So now you want to take your braiding hair. So I like to split mine in half, and I take a rubber band or a hair tie, and I just like to make sure that it's like looped around once and just pull it through, you know, just like this. And this is like so much easier for people who really don't know how to braid like me. It would be hard for me to braid this into my hair because I don't really know how to braid like that. So this is, I think this is 2 packs put together. And I wrap mine twice so to be tight and close to my real hair. So just like that. And also I'm going to take another one because I tried it with just these 2 packs and it just wasn't enough hair. So you have all this fake hair, and then you have your real hair right here. So I'm gonna take my comb and just comb out my real hair so it'll be like a little more straight. And boom. You can split your real hair up into 3 pieces and braid it that way, but for me it's easier if I just keep this as one piece. And I just like to wrap one piece around and then start braiding. Now that you have your 3 sections, you just want to braid like a normal braid. And when I was watching videos on YouTube, I saw some people add Eco Styler gel to it, but I'm not going to do that because I'm not that experienced with braiding. And I feel like it would just make it harder for me. It would probably get tangled more. Just keep braiding. And y'all, I know this braid is not perfect, okay? Like, if you could braid perfect, that's really good for you. Okay, so once you get to the end like this, I just like to take a rubber band and just secure the ends. I don't want it to be too tight because I'm gonna go ahead and pull this braid out a little bit. My braid look kind of jacked up today. And just like pull it out and just loosen it a little bit. Okay, cool. So now I take a little bit more Eco Styler gel and I just go like this and just kind of run it down the braid a little bit, just to make it match my hair a little bit better. And I also bought like these little gold things. So these little gold things are gonna help like the pieces where I messed up, like right here, right here. So I could just like put that over it, so like that. And that kind of like, you know, covers up my mistakes, because there are mistakes in this braid. Okay, so that's good because I don't like to add too many. I don't want to be like too extra. So now you just want to go ahead and take some more Eco Styler gel and then just like do your edges how you like them. Oh yeah, and for this part, put another rubber band at the end. And then I just took another one of those little gold clips. Oh, and I just like clipped it on there. Oh wait, let me do it like this. Ooh, she's fancy. You could cut this too. I would cut this. Like cut it, make it look neat, put some gel on it or something. Okay you guys, so this is basically the finished look. This is how I do my little ponytail braid. Like I said before, it's not perfect. I'm not a hairstylist. I know nothing about hair, like literally. This is just, I want to try something different because I'm so boring. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to click on my video and watch me, and thank you to everyone who requested this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.